Your AI tools probably aren't the problem. Your AI mess is. If you're using ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, image generators, video tools, and multiple AI platforms every week, there's a frustrating problem that eventually shows up. You know you created something useful. You just can't remember where you created it. And that's exactly the problem Smart AI Manager is designed to tackle. Quick disclosure. This video contains an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission if you purchase through my link, at no additional cost to you. Smart AI Manager isn't trying to replace ChatGPT or become another AI chatbot. Instead, it's designed to help you organize and find the AI work you're already creating across different tools. Think about it. You might use ChatGPT for a marketing idea, Claude for research, an image generator for graphics, and another platform for video. Each tool works separately. But your work ends up scattered across conversations, browser tabs, projects, and different platforms. Then a week later, you need that one prompt or idea you created. You remember the topic. You just don't remember where it is. According to the vendor, Smart AI Manager lets you capture and organize AI conversations and content, then search through your saved work using things like projects, collections, tags, and other organizational tools. The vendor also lists features such as universal search, automatic tagging and summaries, project workspaces, timelines, and browser-based capture. But here's the important part. Don't buy this because the feature list looks impressive. Buy it only if you actually have an AI organization problem. If you use ChatGPT occasionally and don't have much AI content to manage, I'd skip it. You don't need another layer of organization if there's barely anything to organize. But if you're a creator, freelancer, marketer, agency owner, or online business owner using several AI tools every week, the situation is different. Your AI output can quickly become a library of prompts, research, content ideas, client work, images, and projects. And finding something later can become a productivity problem of its own. That's where Smart AI Manager's value proposition becomes much clearer. You're not buying another AI generator. You're considering a system designed to help you find and manage the AI work you've already created. Now let's talk about the current offer. The vendor's sales page currently lists an offer price of $14.95 and advertises lifetime access, along with additional features and bonuses. It also presents a much higher claimed regular value and advertises a 30-day refund guarantee. Those are vendor-stated claims, so check the current offer and terms yourself before purchasing because pricing, bonuses, and promotions can change. So, would I recommend it? If you're a casual AI user, probably not. But if you're already using multiple AI tools and constantly find yourself asking, where did I create that? Then this is solving a very specific and understandable problem. And that's what I like about the concept. Sometimes you don't need another AI model. You need a better way to manage everything you're already creating with AI. So before you buy, ask yourself one question. Would having all of my AI work easier to find actually save me enough time and frustration to be worth it? If the answer is yes, I've put the current offer link below so you can check the details for yourself. If the answer is no, save your money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.